How to write a literary argumentative essay. Where do you begin once you've decided to write a literary argumentative essay? What's the first step? Well, the first step is choosing a main idea. After reading a story, choose a main idea, otherwise known as a theme. This is an abstract noun, or a short phrase that captures the essence of the story. Here are some examples of main ideas: overcoming obstacles, family relationships, unrequited love, friendship, personal responsibility. The second step is to find examples of the main idea. Make a list of 10 to 12 pieces of information that relate to your main idea. You might include general ideas about the story or specific quotations. If your main idea is personal responsibility, your list might look like this. Number 1, Peter forgets to attend his grandmother's funeral. He was being irresponsible. 2, Peter studies hard and gets top marks. He took responsibility in class. 3, it's a quotation. You forgot to pay your bills again, didn't you? Somebody's accusing him of being irresponsible. Another quotation, I'm proud of you for the changes you've made in your life. Number 5, Peter begins watering his plants and enjoys watching them grow. Peter writes his grandmother's obituary, which is praised by the family. There is a mix here of general ideas and quotations from the story. All of them relate to the main idea. Your third step is to organize your examples into 3 categories. This is the most challenging and creative step. You must find a way to divide your examples into 3 groups. Here's our previous list. I think we can divide it into 3 categories. Some examples show how Peter is being responsible. Others show Peter being irresponsible. And finally, we have a category where we have evidence of Peter being rewarded. Our fourth step is to expand the main idea into a thesis statement. Once you've completed the first 3 steps, your understanding of the story or novel will have improved. Show how your understanding has improved by expanding your main idea. If your main idea is personal responsibility, your thesis statement might be, life's greatest burdens can often be overcome if an individual adopts a strong sense of personal responsibility. Just to review all the steps that you've taken with an illustration. Number 1, choose a main idea. Number 2, find examples of the main idea. 3, organize your examples into 3 categories. And finally, expand your main idea into a thesis statement. If you complete these 4 steps, you'll be one big step closer to writing your final draft of a literary argumentative essay.